In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom picture watermark in Microsoft Word. Adding a picture watermark is a simple way to brand your pages or add a subtle background without overpowering your text. Start by opening your document in Word and switch to Print Layout View so you can see the page the way it will print. Along the top ribbon, go to the Design tab. This is where Word keeps page background controls. Look for the Watermark button, click it, and from the menu that appears, choose Custom Watermark. That opens the printed watermark window, where we'll set everything up. Select Picture Watermark. Now click Select Picture. A file picker will open so you can browse to the image you want to use. Choose a clear, high-resolution image for the best results. Simple logos or light textures work especially well. Once you've chosen your file, confirm to insert it, and you'll return to the watermark window. Next, decide on the scale. Leaving it on auto is a safe starting point because Word will size the image proportionally for your page. If you need something larger or smaller, pick a specific percentage from the list. Keep in mind that very large images can distract from your text, while very small ones may be hard to see, so aim for a balanced look. If you want the watermark to sit in the background and keep your content easy to read, check the washout option. This fades the image so your text remains front and center. If your original image is already very light, you might leave washout unchecked, but most of the time a washed out watermark gives a more professional finish. When everything looks right, click OK to apply. Word places the picture behind your text on every page that uses the current section's header. Scroll through your document to preview the result. If it feels too bold or too faint, reopen the watermark menu and adjust scale or washout until you're happy. You can also switch images at any time by returning to Custom Watermark and selecting a different picture. Remember that watermarks appear in print layout and on the printed page. Draft or web layout views may hide them. If your document has multiple sections with different headers, the watermark follows each section's header settings, so apply your choices consistently for a uniform look. That's all there is to it. Save your document, and your custom picture watermark is ready for sharing or printing.